Today, I'm going to walk you through fixing a frustrating problem a lot of people encounter with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Getting a blank page when you try to save your file as a PDF. This little hiccup can really derail your productivity, especially when you're counting on Acrobat to get your documents squared away. By the end of this tutorial, you'll find out exactly why this happens and, more importantly, how to get rid of the issue for good so you can save your PDFs without a hitch. Let's dive right into the solution, and I'll guide you step by step so you feel confident every part of the way. The core of this issue actually comes down to how Acrobat handles online storage options behind the scenes. When you click Save As, Acrobat sometimes tries to connect to cloud storage services like Adobe Document Cloud or Dropbox. If there's any hang-up or connection failure, Acrobat can get stuck, and instead of saving your file, you're staring at a blank page. Luckily, there's a straightforward fix. First, we want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're starting from the main window with the app fully loaded. You can close out any documents you have open, just to keep things simple. If you're using Windows, look at the top and find the Edit menu. On macOS, you'll look for the Adobe Acrobat menu in the upper left, right by the Apple logo. Go ahead and select Preferences. This is where Acrobat keeps all its different settings and customization options. Now, in the Preferences window, you'll notice there's a list of categories lined up on the left side. It can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but you're going to look for the one called General. Click on General. It's usually near the top. What we're aiming to do here is to control how Acrobat deals with online storage when you're opening or saving files. Here's the key part. You'll see an option that says, Show online storage when saving files. Make sure you uncheck this box. What this does is tell Acrobat not to try connecting to the cloud when you save a document, so it won't get stuck or throw any errors. While you're here, you might also want to uncheck Show Online Storage when opening files. That way, you're covering your bases whether you're accessing files or saving them, and removing one more opportunity for Acrobat to hang up on a cloud connection. Just a little tip. Making these two changes means Acrobat will only show you local drives when you're opening and saving files, which speeds up the process and keeps things running smoothly. Once you've unchecked those options, don't forget to click OK at the bottom. This applies your changes and closes the Preferences menu. Now, to make sure everything sticks, close out of Adobe Acrobat entirely. This is an important step. Even though it might feel minor, restarting the application refreshes everything, so the new preferences take full effect. Go ahead and reopen Acrobat, just like you normally would. Now, when you try Save As, everything should work as expected. No more blank screens, no headaches, just a clear window letting you save your PDF wherever you want. If for any reason you still see the issue, double-check those preferences one more time and be sure the boxes are unchecked. Sometimes settings don't stick if you miss that final OK. And just like that, you've solved one of the surprisingly common headaches with Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into other tricky Acrobat issues. And of course, subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching.